Alright, Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead, and grilling season is upon us. As you can see here, I have another grilling cart. In the past, I actually made a grilling cart using the Harbor Freight cart. I got my cup holder here, paper towel holder, hooks and stuff for, you know, your utensils. All your charcoal goes on the bottom, whatnot. But, you know, that cart there, I think is like 70 bucks. That thing is like 10. The hooks, you know, all that stuff adds up. That was at least about $100 cart there, I'd say. Now, this one I found over the winter at Walmart for 50 bucks. It was back in the garden area kind of thing. And like I said, it was 50 bucks on clearance. And we're going to put it together today, but as you can see, we got the wheels here and not wheels here. Which that was one of the problems with the other one I have. My driveway is slightly slanted where I do a lot of my grilling. So you had to be careful because sometimes, if you didn't have it in the right spot, it would run away. This does have the mid shelf. The stainless top is something I really like. I don't like that there's not an edge. I do kind of like the edge on the other one, so if I put something down, it's not going to roll off. But, hey. That was something I had with some magnets and stuff to make a little trash bag holder for, like, the bags you get from the grocery store. See, it says it comes with a phone holder. So the mid shelf is adjustable. Okay, that's nice. It's already got the hooks there. Oh, a condiment tray. And like I said, the stainless steel top. So we're going to throw this together and see how it is. But we're looking at half the price of when I built my own. I think the normal price, I'll see if I can find the screenshot of that or look this up with the barcode here. You probably won't be able to do it because it's a little messed up. But, yeah, I think it was $150 was the normal price. Still not that bad if you think about it for the stainless steel top and stuff, if it's a good quality. So we're going to throw this thing together and we'll see how it is. Be right back. Alright, so real quick, let's go over the good, the bad, the ugly. Putting together, sucked. If you watch close enough, I put this on, the top on backwards, so the handle has to be over here and the wheels have to be over here. Matters. This center shelf is adjustable, but I don't know how easy that's going to be because that's not going to be in the way. But this possibly could. Now I'm going to try here in a bit and I might be able to angle it and twist it just right and that might work. Putting this on, you got to make sure you put the other part on first or you're not going to get it on because of these. Feels relatively stable. The stainless steel top looks really good. This little tray here, I was hoping it would screw down somehow because I can see myself just like going to grab something off the shelf and knocking it and flipping whatever I got in there off. Because it just slides in these, which is nice because you can move it, kind of customize that how you want. Like I said, that bottom shelf is adjustable. I plan on putting my charcoal and the charcoal chimney down the bottom. This here, I prefer to have this on the same side as my utensils, or maybe the front where I can put it on and off. Don't really think I like that too much way over here, and it's really low. But I guess if it holds the bag on and I can just toss it in, it won't be that bad. And so this thing I got on sale for 50 bucks, so I'm not complaining too much. But yeah, the emblems on both sides, so that's nice. So either way you put it, it is pretty nice. It's not scratched up. This is a little phone holder. I think this is one of the most heavy-duty phone holders I've ever seen. I mean, that's a thick piece of metal there. Got their little logo on it, which is pretty cool. And I would put my phone in it, but I'm using it right now. So there's that. The other thing did come with some extra pieces, which was nice. And see how it says extra right there? As you're putting this together, I wish more of these, kind of things they would do it with. They actually had the different bags for the different parts were actually labeled. Like you can see right here, when you're putting this together, this is bag D and bag E. So I thought that was kind of nice. This wasn't that bad. you know, the screws for these are here. It's in bag B. So I had these 4 screws in bag B. I put stuff together before where, you know, they'd have 10 screws this long, 10 screws this long, 10 screws this long. And I'm like, you know, they're barely different, and the size matters because of how much room you need there for your washers and stuff. But anyways, really nice little cart for the price. You know, so mine was on sale. I'd easily go $100 on this thing without a problem. 150, maybe. 150 if it was already assembled. But, you know, because that, like I said, it's a pain in the butt putting that thing together. So that's all I got for now. I'm ready for to do a grill day so I can check this thing out and actually use it. And that one over there is now going to become my project cart. Oh, that was the other thing, the paper towel holder. Like I said, that's another one that's really low. So every time I want a paper towel, I'm going to have to bend over, grab it. That should have been up here, over here. But I might be able to steal that thing off there and continue using that if I want to. Or we got this other one. You can take a regular paper towel holder. I got like this thing here. I can glue some magnets on there and bloop, stick that right on the top, and that's not, you know, not too bad. Doesn't have cup holders, so I might put my cup holders over here. We'll just have to see. But yeah, check it out. See what you think. If anybody sees a better deal than this on a little tool cart, not a tool cart, well, it could be grill cart or something like that, leave a comment below and let me know. All right, that's it for now. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one. All right, this is a minute. I started loading stuff on here, and I noticed something really, really disturbing. Paper towels. They're supposed to go right there. My grilling utensils and tools go right here. How's that supposed to work? All right, now I'm seriously debating the ability of these people to design something, because that's not going to work. My grilling tools can't be sitting there hanging on or even being in front of my paper towels. That's going to be completely useless now. Maybe that's why it was $50. So we'll get rid of that. And I was like, well, maybe I can flip them around. But this is actually attached to the legs here. So if we flip it around, our paper towels will be right there, right in our trash. Yep. I ain't got no defense on that one. If anybody can find a good defense on that design, let me know. But still a good deal at $50 though, for the table and all that stuff. These little things from Harbor Freight, I think it's like a 4-pack for like a couple bucks. These little hooks here. I mean, I'll just stick them right here, and I can put my utensils, or not, whatever they are, grilling tools. They hang on there just fine. Like I was saying, they hang on there just fine. When I put that down, because of all the other stuff in there, I kind of popped it off. But yeah, I mean, I've used them on there, as you can see. There's one to hold my lighter up and stuff like that. So I'll just have to put a few of those on the front here to make that work. So these hooks are kind of useless for any kind of long item, I guess, or anything that you're going to be using, because it's going to be dripping right in your paper towels if you're using those paper towels. So anyways, that was it. I'm just going to glue some magnets on that thing, slap it on top, call it a day. I'll find another use. Actually, I can take that and put it somewhere else and just use this paper towel holder. All right. Bye again.